Okay. Ito po ang ating final game for the day po ngayon or for the week. Playing white po, yan po ang Team In-Flight. Of course, yung kanilang bagong commodity po ngayon, playing red po, yan po ang Team CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Okay, this is now your final game for the week. Okay, ito po ang... Tanggalin natin ito. This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the following sponsors, Team LB Sanang Padala and Thread the Needles. Sampo natin po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSB Basketball League. Ito po ang ating mga participating teams, Hub, Cabin Line, Oryx, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, In-Flights, Mechanicals, Sky Team, Faders, and QR Towers. This is a elimination and final game for the between a played now between In-Flights versus CAS. Okay, typical po yan po ang CAS playing po yung Prince on red body po. Ang kanila magtitumong po, inandiyan po si Rivera, si Umas, si Banag, of course si Sir Defensor nandyan din. Yan si Rivera, yung kanilang pamatay sunog din, saka si Mr. Slasherman. Kabilaan po, of course nandyan po, of course nandyan si Ariola, si Mercado, si Sir Philip Cinco. Of course, nandun si Captain AJ at si First Officer Karim. Yan, okay, ito po yan. Okay. We're just waiting for an opening whistle right now. In within 10 seconds, magsisimula po ating final game for this week between CAS and In-Flights. Okay. Simulan na po natin po ang laban po ngayon sa ating huling laban sa araw nito between CAS and In-Flights. First quarter action. Sino po ang unang lalaban? Wala siya Sinho
Okay, verse 5, Philippines. In-Flights versus CAS.
Okay, In-Flights versus CAS po tayo yun. Closer up King. In-Flights versus CAS. First starters po, of course, si Umas, si Arnado, si Defensor, si number 37, at si number 19, si Tan. Calvin Ramacov, nandiyan po si number 10, si Anacleto, si Captain AJ, si Ariola, si Karim. Yan, okay. Yan na. Umbat. Ito na, laban na. Okay. Bakit? Okay, cast impress po. Ito na, first quarter action is on the way right now. Chris Molina, DJ Doritz. Watching na po sila kagad. Ito na, cast implied. Stan versus Anacleto. First possession. Ariola. Nori. Ang lakas ang pasa kay Anacleto. Balik sa pulang bola. Balik sa pulang bola. Balik sa pulang bola po tayo. Balik sa pulang bola. Arnado. Tan. Lumawag. Lumawag, nasan ka? Hinahanap ka rito. 37. Banag. Arnado. Wala ang bola. Nori. Number 10, 2 points. Number 10. First basket made now. First blood drawn by Team Implights. Number 10. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Tan. Defensor. Pops up for 3. Nope. AJ. Naka-rebound. Ayan na naman si Nori. 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 Driving strong. Foul call. Uy. Uy. Ouch. Nangyari. So, tumama. Teka lang, mukhang na yata yan eh. Defensor, mukhang naalog yata si defensor. Okay. Okay, kaya. Kaya. Naalog lang konti lang si defensor pero kaya naman yan. Okay, go. Backdoor ko ba rin ulit tayo, defense. AJ, Captain AJ, pumuposisyon. Kick pass. AJ. AJ, Nori kumuha ng bola. Nope. It's Ariola. Pops up on Desilio. Bang! Back-to-back basket made by Bacchiano, number 10. Fornan, defensor. Defensor kay Ariola. Nope, it's Tan. Omas. Oy, traveling ka ng boss. Welcome to the line of Giants para kay Omas. Bola muna. Dama na sa referee ng bola. Okay, ito na. Karim. Implights. Number 8. Nori. Pinasa kay AJ. AJ for 3. No, balakas. Tan. In and out. Nori naka-rebound. Nori, number 5. Nori. Binato agad. Pops up. Bacchiano again. Nope. And defensor. Nakita mo yung bola. Defensor. Pops up. Oy! Traveling itong boss. Traveling called on Arnado. Arnado called for the traveling violation. 4-0 ang score po natin ngayon. 4-0. Naman po ang team Implights. Pops up. In and out. Outside. 7 minutes 50 seconds remaining. 0-4 pa ng score po natin. Cass, binababang ball na. Okay. Defensor 4-3. Inside. Pasok kay Defensor ang bola. Defensor 3 points. Ariola. Binato muna. Defensor nandun. Defensor. Okay, Defensor nagtitimon. Defensor, binababa ang bola. Defensor, to Tan, pops up, out. Again, to Ariola, 2 on 1. 2 points Ariola, 2 points. And Tan, number 19. Defensor naman. Foul call. Foul on number 5. No. AJ? Number 5. It's Nori. Foul on Nori. Defensor number 10 shooting for 2. The score is 3-6 at 6:16 remaining. Defensor first shot. Out. Defensor second shot. Jumper's ready. Defensor second show. Op. Sa pula. Okay, Defensor second throw. Out. Defensor na naman. Ayun. Malakas. Anakleto, nakariba Ariola, mag-deceive, nice one. Bakyano naman, saves the day. Bakyano saves the day. Dan San Miguel is watching, Ralph Castro is watching. Tan, Defensor. Binalabas, Omas, tabling violation ka dun, boss. Omas, called for the travel.
Second unit, prepare.
Nori. Bakyano for 2. Ayaw. Tan. Binababa ang bola. Tan, number 19. Tan. Yes, one kay Tan. 5-8 ang score po natin. Nori again. One more time, Nori. Swiped away. Defensor. Oy. Change pipe tayo. The score is 5-8. Change pipe po tayo. Second liners po natin, of course. Nandyan si Mungkal, of course, si Big Man Salting, si Pe, si Mercado, si Jamuyo, at sa kabilang po, of course, nandyan si David, si Oleya, si Rivera, si number 1 at si number 8, yan si Roldan. Okay. No good. Yan naman, number 16. Saraspe, no. Mungkal naka-rebound. Mungkal nagtitimon. Mungkal driving shot, fadeaway shot. Nope. Rivera, Saraspe using the board. Pasok. Saraspe 2 points. Jamuyot, number 77. Mercado, shake and pick, pasok. Roldan. Rivera. Bang! Rivera, 2 points. 1 point lead, the remaining. 1 point lead na para sa in-flights. Mungkal. Jamuyot, Mungkal for 3. Bang! Out! Ha? Nilabas? Roldan. Saraspe naka-rebound, 2 points. Pe. Pe. Uy, mali. Walang pasa. Jamuyot. Foul called on Jamuyot. Jamuyot, number 77, called for a foul.
Shot clock 16.
Roldan.
Now to 14.
David. Bang!
Number 17.
Pakilan.
4-14. Cavs.
Jamuyot.
Another turnover.
Okay, Jamuyot now lost to handle the letter. Balik muli po tayo. 14-4. Puntida po kalamanghan ng in-flight. Oleya. Oleya, ayaw.
Another one.
David.
Number 79.
Bang! David. David. 2 points. Sa Aselman, ayun sa Aselman ang pang.
20 points.
Amampang, the Hasselman, nandiyan na rin. Nagpakita na. And Mercado. Salting, nanakawan. Roldan. 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 2 points Roldan. 2 points Roldan. Jamuyot. Mungkal. Mungkal. Uy! Wala. Uli, naka-rebound. Rivera. Drop pass. Oleya, palpal. Mungkal naman, Mungkal. Mungkal. Nice pasana ni Mungkal. Tumat. Lumobo yata si Pe. Roldan. Rivera, Rivera, Rivera. Uy! Malimpasa, tumama sa ulo. Mungkal. Mercado, 2 points Mercado. 6-point lead by Cass over in flights. Oy! Blocking foul. Rosemary Arniaga is watching. Si Dave Bulanos is watching. Maraming salamat po. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Papsapin na. Umas. David Ratter. Uy! Mababang pasa.
1 minute remaining.
Okay. Jamuyot. Pop sa Mercado. Nope. Rebound Salting. Mungkal. Mungkal. Out of bounds. Touchdown si Rodan. Tap out ng Cass. 42 seconds remaining. Mungkal. Pow! Mungkal, 2 points. Mungkal, the high flyer, 2 points. Mungkal shooting for the bonus free throw. Wala. Rebound. Seraspe. David. Oleya. 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 Nope. Rebound si Rasper. Rivera. Wala rin. Si Pe. Naka-rebound si Pe. Nando si Roldan. Roldan. Nice pass. Si Raspe. Salting. Pe. Pe. Malakas. Mungkal. Mungkal. Wala. Swipe away. Out of bounds. Out of time. First quarter ended. The score is 20-14. Laman po ang Cass. Back to the ball game muli po tayo.
Only award is the pass.
Offense po ng Cas. Cas on the offense. Okay, second starters po si Ramos, si Tan, si Sila, nandiyan din si Arnado, at si Defensor. Kabilang ko first, nandiyan si din po kanina, baliban na po kay Mike. Mike, rebound. Ariola, oy, traveling. Traveling violation called on Ariola. 20-14 po score po natin at 9:42 remaining. Armado. Tan. Sila. Bang! 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 2 points na. Long 2. Philip. Philip. Nancy sa sol si Philip. Sir Philip. Mike. Ariola. Kick pass. Nori, no good. Rebound AJ. Ariola. Mike. Philip for 3. Bang! Si rin. 3 points. Philip 5, 3 points. The score is 22-17. Lamang po na 5 ang Team Oryx. Ang Team Inflight. Ang Team Cas. Defensor. Arnado. Tan. Driving Shong. Tan. 2 points Tan. Philip. Nori. For 3. Nope. Dalawa sila. AJ to Ariola. Philip for 3. Nope. Rebound by Tan. Nagbabantay. Tan. Tapos. Ariola, kick pass, Nori. Malakas. Foul. Arnando called for the foul. Una po yan po ni Arnando. Mike, number 3, pops up. Nope. Second shot ni Mike. Jumpers ready po tayo. Wala pareho. 24-17. Lamang po ng 7 ang Team Cas over in flights. Defensor. Dagmad. Foul call. Down. Side out, down daw. Sabi na it's down.
Foul in jersey number 26.
Philip 5 called for the foul.
Side ball throw in.
Ramos for the inbound.
15 shot clock.
Tan number 19.
Pass to
Defensor. Shake and fake. Fade away shot. Thanks it in. Nori naman. Nori. Still completed.
Completing a steal.
Foul, Mike.
Foul committed on jersey number 3, Mike. First personal 17 foul. In flights.
Tan in for the shot. First shot. Out. Second shot ni Tan. Jumper ready tayo. Out. Rebound by Nori. Binatuan kay Ariola. Nori. Kick pass. 5. Bang! Si din. Bang! 3 points si first year Philip. Tan pops up. Out. Rebound Mike. Ayan si Philip. 6:14 remaining. Nori. Wala pa rin. Kapos. Defensor! Take 2. Captain AJ Cope for the foul.
Foul, jersey number 21, AJ. That's his first personal 13th foul. In line.
Defensor number 10 shooting for 2.
On the line. Defensor shooting for 2.
It's out. 6:34 remaining. Second shot ni Defensor, jumper ready. It's in. 6:34. It's 27-20. Lamang muli po ng 7 ang team Cast over in flights. 27-20. Ariola. Mike. To Ariola again. Ariola. Ariola! Sayang. 3-second violation. Nice defense. Nori. Mori number 5.
7-point lead.
Taking at the center already. 27-20. 6:04 remaining. Ramos. Ramos pops up. Out. Rebound. Arik sila. Nope. Nawalang bola. Mike. Nagmamadali. Mike. Okay. Nori 2 points. Nori 2 points. Defensor. Defensor. Pops up. No good. No foul. Sila, wala pa rin. Wala ng rebound. Kick pass. 2-on-1 situation. Nandun si Tan. Tan. Challenging. Uy! Wala pa rin. Change unit po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5. Change 5 po tayo. Inbound po ang bola, bola, bola. Kas, kas. Omas for the inbound. Rivera.
Rivera.
Rivera. Minato. Omas. Rivera. Pops up. Bangs it in. 3 points, Rivera. Ayan na. Rivera, nagpapakilala ng si Rivera. 4:45 remaining. Mungkal. Mungkal. 2 points, Mungkal. Shoutout naman. Shout shoot lahat ng nakarobas sa team Cast. Shoutout daw po. Oy, 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 oy. Foul.
Jersey number 10, Baquiano.
Baquiano called for the foul and Amampang Dasselman magpapasok po ng bola. Amampang Dasselman. Nanakawan. Nanakawan din, Umas. Amampang, pops up. Bandard. Foul. On sa Raspe, tinulak. Jonas Manapal is watching also.
First personal foul.
Pinababa ang bola. Baquiano. Mungkal for 3. Bangs it in. Ayan na, striking naman sila. Lamang ng 3. Rivera. Rivera against Baquiano. Rivera. Wala. No foul, no foul. Mungkal, Mungkal. Mungkal, diretso na yan. Mungkal, foul. Fold.
Foul committed on jersey number 07.
Number 7, Coke for the foul.
Tomas.
Mongcal, number 16.
First personal foul.
Pops up. It's in.
Down to 2-point lead.
Second shot, jumper shady by Mongcal. Both basket made. Isa na lang. Isa na lang. Sabi nila, isa na lang. 30-29. Umas. Saraspe. Nawala. Kay Ramos ang bola. Mongcal na naman. Mongcal. 2 points Mongcal. Lamang na naman ang in-flights.
3 minutes 10.
Amampang, Dasselman. Amampang. Nawala. Rebound, Salting. Mike. Anaklet. Mercado. Bacchiano. Pops up. Bangs it in. And Samuel Cove na by Cass. Kahit na may bleeding po ngayon nakita sila. Baka may dumudugo daw. Sabi nila may dumudugo. Kinakalambahan din na din. Sabi ni Coach Owens. Coach Owens covered Samuel now at 30-33. 2:57 remaining. Ay, sorry. Shit.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Okay, cast ball. 2:57 remaining. Cast ball. Scott is watching. Scott, nanonood po si Scott. Umas, Amampang. Nice D. Again, nandun si Bacchiano. Okay, Salting. Bacchiano na naman. Bacchiano, nagbabaman bola. Bacchiano. Salting. Binato kay Mercado. Bangs it in. Mercado, 2 points. 30-35. Lumalago ng konti po ang in-flight. It's overcast. Rivera, number 16. Rivera driving strong. Rivera. Rebound. Mongcal. Mercado. Siguro kung bata si Mercado, mahabol ni Mercado yon. Pero 40s na siya eh. Number 4, Mercado. Amampang again. Binato muna. Pops up. Wala. Rebound again by Mongcal. Kaya naman si Mercado. Nandun si Mampang. Foul. Mercado called for the foul. Dito po ang bola, sir. Omas for the inbound. Omas. Anton Rivera. Rivera binababa ang bola. Ayan si Mampang. Mampang Jasselman. Ayun. Pops up. Malakas. Ayan si Mongcal na naman. Mongcal. Foul on Rivera. Official. Sino foul? Mongcal call for a foul. Officials time out muna po. Titingnan sila. Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Boy in just watching. Okay. Bola. Ba't ako business naman, sir? May tinignan lang? Ha? Okay. 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 Merong okay mo, merong may kausap yata ng ni Rep King yung CAS, kaya meron yata kinaklarify yata silang tawag kanina. 1:36 remaining, second quarter action. Okay, ito na, ayos na, nakaayos sila. 1:36 remaining, second quarter action. Bola po ng in-flights.
1 minute, 36 seconds.
Bakiano number 10. Bakiano. Mungkal.
10 seconds.
Pops up. Salting. Bang! 3 points Salting.
8.3.
Wala na po kang kalamangan po. Amampang. Uy! Foul called. Ouch.
Foul committed on jersey number 69.
Number 69 called for a foul si Peg. Penalty situation po ang team in flights. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Wala pareho. Pe, naka-rebound. Pe, binabang bola. Pe, kinokontrol mo na. Okay, Bakiano, bahala ka nga Bakiano, sabi ko niya. Eto, Mike na naman, Mark. Bang, sila Mercado, 3 points na naman. 55 seconds remaining.
50 seconds.
Amampang, wala. Ayan naman siya, Mungkal, 2 points again, Mungkal. 34 seconds remaining.
30 seconds. 13.8. 15 pa natin na yan.
Omas,
10 shot clock.
Rivera, binato, wala. Omas, nice tap out.
Save ball. Shot clock natin, 6 seconds. Run, game clock. 6 second shot clock. Convert violation. 11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining.
Game clock. 10. 5.
Good ball. Wala na. Halftime po tayo, magbabalik po kami. The score is 30-43, 13 ang team in flights.
Coach Owen, hindi ko kayo isa, sir. Sige na. Lights.
Okay, isang tira para sa in-flights. Isang tira para sa in-flights. Hey!
Okay, sinabi ko, tiwala ko, ilasas na.
Isang tira para sa CAS. Dahil kasi sila mas marami ng isa. Okay. In-flights po tayo, in-flights.
Lapit lang po yung magkasama.
Okay, in-flights ball. Takin po tayo, sir. Takin po. Ariola for the inbound. Dobits. Captain AJ for the inbound. AJ, the captain. Captain AJ for the inbound. To Ariola. 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 Ariola, binabang bola. Eto na. Nandun si Roldan. Uy! Foul called. Ba't talaga, paglaking car park talaga, grabe. Ba't talaga, paglaking car park. Roldan for the inbound again. The score is 30-43. Laman po ang in-flights as of now. Third quarter action nagsimula na po. Defensor David Olea malakas. Ayan na naman si Ariola. Ariola binabang bola. Ariola. Pops up Nori. Nope. Rebound Anakleto. Ariola muna. Kick pass kay Ariola. Kumuha ng pick. Ariola. Zigzagging. Nori. Wala pa rin. Nori muli. Wala pa rin. Nandun si defensor. Stop. Uy! Foul called. Ariola for sure. Ariola called for a foul. First personal foul ni Ariola yan. And now to Mr. Tan. Defensor. Tan driving. Nope, it's David. David lost the ball. Binatong bola kay Ariola. Uy! Good ball. David pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Oren. Olea Sader. Tan driving, pops up. Nope, rebound Anakleto. Ayan naman sa Mungkal. Mungkal nagtitimon, Mungkal. 2 points. Sinubo na naman ang bola sa ring. Albert Dino Marasing is watching. Defensor swipe away. Defensor against AJ. Roldan. David. Kapos. Wala kasing guwapings. Wala yung mga guwapings. Wala yung tatlo. Yung isa lang nandyan. Wala si main man din. Wala si main man. Anakleto, Nilobo, wala. Anakleto ulit. Wala. Nice pass. Oleya. Tumakat, naggamit ng cutter sila. Naggamit sila ng cutter. Pops up, Defensor. Nope. Oleya naka-rebound. First 14. Tan, driving. Tan. Pops up. Wala. Airball.
Still a 15-point lead. More influence.
Ariola. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Roldan. Ayan na si Roldan. Nagmamadali. Roldan. Tan. Nawala ang bola kay Tan. White ball. Nice hustle play by Mungkal.
Substitution.
Nice play by Nori also. Mungkal.
15-point lead.
15-point lead now. 6:33 remaining. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Albert Gino Marasigan nanonood. And now Nori. Wala pa rin. Ayan, Mungkal naman. Wala. Rebound, Defensor. Hassel. Hinaharang si Defensor. No good. Rebound, dalawa. Nori naka-rebound. Nori. Swipe away. Pops up Mungkal. Bangs it in. I think Nori was converting himself now to become a role player now for the rebounds and giving a pass away now to Mr. Mungkal. While Roldan now giving up the ball now to Oleya. No good still. AJ, transition offense. AJ, nagkakamapasan. AJ, Mariola. Nori, pass muna kay Anacleto. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Oy! Sab muna po tayo. Amampang, palabas muna. Pasok muna si Amampang para kay Tan. Yan lang. Okay, Amampang Daselman para kay Tan. Eloy rin po. Oleya para kay nyo. Para kay Saraspe. Amampang Daselman. Haseman Amampang. Roldan. Binasa. Defensor. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Ariola. Wala pa rin. Nice one. No foul. Defensor naman. No good. Palpal. Block again. Saraspe nakuha ang bola. Defensor. 2 points Defensor. And one play. Nope, it's down. Sa baba lang daw, sabi ng referee. Down. Still 15 point pa rin po ang kalamangan po ng in-flights overcast. Bacchiano, pasok muna para kay Ariola. Nice game para kay Ariola. Mike. No, it's Sam Nori. Bacchiano naman. Wala. Rebound. Mungkal. Wala pa rin. Rivera. Tama kay Rivera. Tama yun. Dahil pag sinugod nyo yun, may posibleng may tapal siya. Matatapalan siya. Amampang. Mungkal. No good. Again. Amampang na naman. Transition na naman sila. Amampang na naman. 2 points. Okay, tama. Cold now. We're feeling a slight rally now by Cass over in-flights. Still, 36-47. Lamang pa rin po nalabag isa ang in-flights over Cass. Standby po tayo. At 3:56 remaining. Maraming salamat po. Good evening po dyan. Ako si Arvin G. Vlog sa you. You're watching with the final game for this week. sa ating Saturday Night Live basketball action sa Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Okay, balik ang bola ngayon sa puti. 3:56 remaining. May fourth quarter pa. Mungkal. Nori. Mungkal. Mungkal nawala. Guys, sa play. Okay, fresh 14. Bakiano! Mali! Uy! Two points. 9-point lead naman. Mungkal. Mungkal driving, swiping again. Nandun si Salting. Salting, nandun siya mampang naman. Nandun! Good ball. Bakiano. Wala. Rebound, Nori, and white ball. Sabi daw, white ball. Okay, substitution po tayo. Ano nangyari sa bola? Okay, referee says, okay, it stays. Referee says it stays. Ball stays. Lamang po ni Siyam na lang ang in-flight. At 6-0 run. Uy! Foul! Nice hustle. A 6-0 run been posted now by Cats over in-flights. Wala pa rin pong score pa rin pong in-flights. So as of now, 2:46 remaining. Roll done. To Mr. Amampang Daselman. Amampang, Daselman. Amampang, Pinato, Rivera, Kapos. Wala, rebound again by the white shirts. Oy! Stepping on the line. Si Mike. Stepping. Stepping on the line ka, boss. Rivera. Roldan. Amampang. Binato kay defensor. What a play. Saraspe. Pasok. Di ko yung play ginagawa ngayon. Pito na lang kalabangan naman. Nabuhay ang Kas. An 8 nating run. Nori naman. Foul. Nope. Double drill, sorry. Double dribble. Amampang yata nagdala ng puso sa Kas ngayon. Ariel Amampang Daselman. Amampang. Pinato. Oy! Mataas. Mataas ang pasa. Baba na raw. Good. Salting. Malakas. Put back by Mike. What a put back by Mike. American 30 remaining. Pinababa ang bola ngayon. Jotfiel Monticel's watching. Roll down, call for a foul. Mike for a block. Blocking foul on Mike. Roll down for the Okay, labas muna si defensor para yan dahil sa fourth and final quarter. In flights, warning for penalty. Still roll down for 2. Wala. Second shot, roll down. Jumpers ready.
9-point lead enjoyed by in-flights.
Roll down. Pops up. Pasok. Shoutout kay Roba Siga sa player game. Si Ariola. Nori. Mike. Wala ang bola kay Mike.
1 minute, 7 seconds.
Walo. Oleya, sa kanto. Wala. Nando si Rivera. Rivera. Amampang. Roldan. Oleya, nando si Nori. Palpal. Pasok ang bola. Difficult shot. 45 seconds remaining. Tight ang gel victim of the game. Si James Ariola also.
14 shot now.
Mike. Salting. 2-point salting. Ayan na naman siya. Si Ariola. Si Amampang. Oleya. Oy! Malakas ang pasa. Shoutout kay Roldan. Ang bilis pa rin. Sabi ni Miss Badjola. Di Badjo. Nori. Wala pa rin. Okay. After 3 quarters, laman po ng 8 ang in-flights. Overcast from 15. Okay? From 15, dumaman po ng 8 na lang ang in-flights. This is your aviation fan daw sa Flying League. First, we'd like to thank final sponsors, Trade Nielsen, Trade Itim, LB Saling Padala. Sapo natin po dyan ang SPB ARA and PSB Basketball League. This is your participating teams. We're now at the limit still. Ito po ngayon ang naglalaban. Final game po tayo, final quarter between CAS and in-flights. Okay, CAS pa rin po mag-inbound si Roldan. Roldan for the inbound. Buot na rin pang matagang baseball game si Sir Roldin Mercado. Amampang against Mercado. Roldan for 3. Wala. Mungkal, nakaribang na naman. Mungkal nagmamadali. Mungkal. Jamuyot for 3. Wala. Oleya na naman. Oleya.
Pass to defensor. Service play. Back to defensor.
Uy! Foul! Jamuyot. Tinawagan ng foul na naman. Jamuyot called for a foul.
14 shot now.
9:27 remaining. Binato ang bola. Ayan na. Amampang. Oleya. In and out. Rebound, Nori. Mungkal. Nori. Soft touch.
Rebound, defensor.
No. Oleya. Wala.
Foul on jersey number 4.
Number 4, Mercado called for the foul. Shout out kay Roldan. Ang bilis mo pa rin pa daw. Sabi ni Badjo. And now to Oleya. First shot. Wala. Second shot, Oleya. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Oleya. Jumpers ready po tayo. Meron. Okay. Jamuyot. Ayun na naman. Roldan. Pinasa. Foul. Foul on P.
Foul number 69.
P.
Second personal. Substitution. 13 foul. Get light.
Kaya nga. Defensor, pops up, swap touch, shush, shush. Lima na lang, Ariola, Mungkal, and one play pa kay Mungkal. High flyer Mungkal strikes again. Olea, second pa lang yan. Mungkal for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Tapos. Okay. Amampang, bahala ka muna doon. Sabi niya ni defensor. Amampang, binaba ang bola. Amampang. Roldan. Amampang naman. Amampang. Defensor. Binuhat ang play. Wala. Malakas ang pasa. Nando si Olea, pinilit. Wala. Ayun, nakawala. Uy! And one play made. Sir, babagay, ang score po is 14-8-53. Laman pa rin po ang in-flights. Walang katuwang kasi si defensor eh. Kung nandyan yung mga guwapings, si main man, ibang texture ng laro. Pero still, kita mo na, may step up naman eh. Like si Amampang, nandiyo siya mga parate. Si Rivera din, mamasang si Rivera sa press time din. May nag-step up naman. Si Roldan, ilang yung answer ni Roldan. Diba? Kamusta natin, ang pag-aaral natin, Mr. Kamusta pag-aaral mo? Ha? Graduate ka na, good. Isang grade 11 ka na. Bukad, nagwala, pop sa merkado, bench din! What up? Parang walang tanda si merkado. Talagang ganun pa rin. Okay. Pare, graduate ka na ng grade 10. Ngayon, 11 senior high ka na, 11 and 12. Saan ka mag-senior high? Sa PSC pa rin. Di ba may swimming pool doon? Ginagamit naman. Bira. Yung varsity. May swimming club. Sa mga nag-ano yata, yung mga gusto matuto. Okay. Foul! Warning for penalty for team foul. Team in flights. Mercado called for a foul. 7:36. Mahaba pa yan. Mahaba pa yan. Ariel. Defensor against Nori. Salting. Pinabantayan. Tan. Amampang. Ayun. Naiwan mag-isa. Pasok. Simple lang. Basketball made easy para yung defensor. Ariola. Mike, binato agad. Nori. Ariola. 3-second violation. Nice stop. Ariel Amampang. Arnado, pasok. 4 na lang. Trapping. Ariola nakawala. Traveling violation called. Trapping. Etong the sinasabi, the choke of class. They're choking now the ball handler. Eto naman, Amampang, number 48 naman. Chance na to make the lead down to 2 points. Amampang, nakalusot. Ayun! Sa Raspe, labas muna. Arnado. Amampang. Wala. Rebound, Nori. Ayun na naman si Mungkal. Mungkal. Wala. Rebound. Mercado. Wala rin. Pops up. Tan. Wala. Rebound. Nori. Mercado. Ariola. Pops up. Wala. Oy. Mungkal. 2 points Mungkal. Okay, balik muli sa waling anim kalamangan. Balik muli sa anim kalamangan. May pasok si Boss Scott, boss. May pasok si Boss Scott. Sir Babagay. Amampang. Naipit. Labas. Kay Tan. Kapos. Uy! Amampang na naman. Yung okay, they're reviewing now. They're claiming na tumama do sa ring ang bola ng CAS. Okay, they're reviewing now. Pinag-uusapan po nila. Both teams, coach. Pinapatawag po. Oh, nawala siya, no? Both teams, coach ng both teams. Yung kapatid mo, yung babae, kumusta naman? Nagpa-volleyball o basket, ano? Volleyball? Saan siya nag-ano? Maganda yan. Magandang program ng expats, bro. Maganda.
Sa club.
Maganda rin. Anong club? Alcor Club, maganda yan. Pag tumagad pa kung tumagad pa yung kapatid mo, kahit sing tangkad mo, mas matangkad pa sa'yo. Dahil kasi, alam mo ng volleyball, di ba? Height is might din yan. Pero kung maliit naman siya, mangyari, libero siya. Defensive specialist.
Sana mataas naman siya.
Oo. Okay, kinob na. May konting ano lang kasi, may konting debate sa korte ng main ano. Okay, i-claim kasi nila kasi tumama daw sa ring yung bola ng CAS. Kaya pero anong nangyari? Shot clock violation sila. Dapat nag-reset into 14 seconds yun. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Okay, the call now says ano? Okay. Bola talaga pa rin. Bola na yung po talaga. The call stays. Ayun! Wala. Rebound Ariola. Mungkal na naman. Mungkal. Driving strong. Mungkal malakas. Nori. 2 points Nori. So baka sa kapasok si Nori. Wala pong palang kan-to-tan connection ngayon. Arnado, 2 points. 4:48 remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng 6. Sinusok nilang ball handler. Mungkal. Ako yung bola. Mungkal. Lumipad. Pasok yung Mungkal ng bola. Timeout called. The score right now is 54-62. Lumamang muli po ng 8 ang in-flights overcast at 4:36 remaining, 4th and final quarter. Magandang laban po. Sinasabi ka na, pukpukan to. Talagang po ito, pukpukan talaga. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. 4:36 remaining. Bola po ng Cas, pinasok ko ni Suroldan. May katuwang po ni Amampang, di Hasselman. Isang Hasselman din po pinasok po ni Sir Owen. Pwede na yung mag-Roldan. Okay. Ayan na. 14 seconds shot. Oy! Ay, eto na. Okay. Merong may konting scapul lang po. Isa lang, chill lang tayo, boss. Chill lang. Okay. Magme-meeting muli pong referee para ino po ang ang pagdedesisyon nila. Okay, pinagmimutan. Si Ref King din po yung yung pinaka-head referee pumasok, si Ref King po. Pinag-uusapan po nila ngayon. Okay. Minsan kasi yung nasa pinaka-gallery pa nga. Okay, this shows with you Arvin G. Vlog Show. With me also yung anak mo ni Coach Owen, si Boss. Ayan, tawag ka muna pre. Tawag ka muna. Yan ha. Yan po yung lumalaban po sa Inter-GCC under 18, U18 GCC. Kamusta pala ang kampanya doon sa UC under 18?
Diba?
Oo nga, under 18. Under 18.
Ano po? Dalawang panalo, dalawang talo.
2-2.
Ang palaban namin na lang.
Hoops. Yung hoops is from Lebanon. Lebanese hoops yun. Then ang pinakamalakas sa GCC ay could be Dubai, no? Dubai or GCC?
Hindi. Sa Qatar lang po.
Qatar muna. Okay.
Pero Lebanese din yung
hoops. Okay. Julius Babay, mas mabait po yan si Okay, defensor shooting for 2. Penalty situation. Okay, ano muna? Binerify muna. Pinatay na tayo AC. Mercado. Ano decision? Double foul. Hands po, dalawa. Na-cancel out. Okay. Medyo make-fit po talaga labang ito kasi I think Cass is trying to stay clean sa kanilang win-loss rate. And of course, ang Impress is trying to go back again po sa winning side. Dahil sinatalo po sila nung nakaraan po ng Airport United.
parang sinarado na yung AC natin.
9 o'clock yan bro. 9 automatic yan. Kaya summer na, medyo init ngayon dito. Kaya nangyari, ang tawag po kanina po is for both teams po, Ans po Paul, pareho. Nag-cancel out po yun. Pero penalty situation na po ang Cas. Ang in-flights. Kaya, si Defensor will shoot now for 2. The score right now is of course still Laman pa rin po ang in-flight 6254. Yan, pinagmimiting pa rin po nila hanggang ngayon. Okay, coach na naman. Both coaches, pinapatawag na naman. Okay, si Mercado na lang. Oh, Jamuyot. Si Jamuyot yata ang coach din eh. Okay, ito na. Dito nakakatawa talaga dito, pag sa intercompany, magkakasama sila. Pero pagpatak dito naman, talagang magkakalaban sila. Shoutout po dun si number 48, si Mr. Amampang Gasselman. Magtatapat uli daw tayo, sabi ni Mr. Albert Marasigan. Okay, sige. Wala na, umuwi na siya na. Umuwi na si pasabi na lang. At 4:28 remaining, the score still stands at 54-62. Nagkaroon pa ng double answer pa po kanina between, of course, si Defensor and the Mongkal. At the same time po, penalty situation na po ang team in flights. And we're waiting na po sa penalty shots po ni Mr. Defensor. Pero ano? Okay.
Jersey number 16.
Jersey number...
Stay for provoking the fight.
Okay.
With gas.
Masakit yun. Okay. Jersey number 16, Mongkal, out of the playing court. Dahil siya yata pala nagsimula po ng scaffold niya ng dalawa ni Defensor. Yan ang ano po doon. Decision na po yan. AJ, ano? Sayang, siya pa man din yung nagmamando ng in-flights pero out of the playing court. Si Mongkal, jersey number 16, Mongkal, out of the playing court. Siya doon kasi nag-provoke daw ng scaffold nilang dalawang ni Defensor.
free throws for Defensor. RJ, mukhang out of the court. Substitute, please. Penalty.
Na-thrown out siya. Defensor, 2 shots given.
Both teams, two timeout left.
No rebound, Nori. Clear the boards. Ariola. Ariola. Pops up. Dang, si din. Wala, gumagano na sa bakas. Ariola naman. 7-8 mo, 10 kalamangan. Foul call.
Foul on jersey number 24.
Salting called for the foul. Amampang second shot. Wala. Op! Lane violation, early entry. Ingat boss ha, ingat. Lane violation. Ito na naman, salting, for the inbound. Ariola, salting. Foul! Si Raspe. For sure. I think what you're doing now, tinatrap na naman nila yung ball handler.
Jersey foul.
Okay, salting, magano mag-inbound, salting. Nori. Ariola. Kapos. Si Raspe. Woy! Muntik na. Dumikit. Nice D. 3:51 remaining. Nori number 5. Nori. Morris over. Nori. Malakas. Foul. Take 2. Nori, 2 shots given kay Nori. Maraming salamat sa panood po right now po sa ating strong viewers right now. Thank you very much po. Nori pops up. In.
Basket for Nori.
Second shot by Nori. Jumper ready po tayo. Lamang na muli po ng 10 ang in-flights. Basket na yun. Ay. Balik. Okay, mukhang pagmimitin din nila yata. Okay.
Double foul on jersey number 69.
Double foul kay Pe and Defensor. Double foul on Defensor and Mr. Pe. 3:40 remaining. Medyo talaga, dahil si patay ng AC.
Shooting yan, penalty.
Oh, babagay. Pinatayin mo yung AC rito, kaya medyo mahirap talaga. Oh, balik tayo sa laro. 3:35 remaining. 35, 55, 66, 11 point advantage na by Cass over, by influence over Cass. Ariola binabantay na Roldan. Roldan against Mercado. Mercado. Ayan na naman siya. Pe against Defensor. Defensor.
English talaga ako.
Foul, jersey number 69.
69 call for a foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul, second person, jersey number 10.
Defensor, unstoppable already.
Jersey number 10, out of the playing court.
Jersey number 10 also out of the playing court. Mainit na. Magpapuwis kayo. Game. Okay, Defensor na out of the playing court already. Defensor also called for out of the playing court. Dahil tinawag siya second unspo foul. Kanina kasi unspo foul kasi with Mongcal. Ngayon tinawag ko Mr. P. Bang unspo na naman with Mr. P habang binabat siya ni Mr. P. Kaya out na rin siya sa playing court. Now, Mr. Roldan now shooting for 2. Roldan first shot. Out. Pero may dalawang foul naman. Kabila naman. Because penalty situation also ang teaming flights. Ang Cass. Okay, sige. Okay, Nori now. Nori shooting for 2. Napagod sa rebound. Second shot by Missionori, jumper ready. Unspopol pala yan.
Dapat talaga yun.
Hindi, tama lang.
Medyo
Mataas.
3 minutes, 21 seconds.
Wala kanina. Di kasi na silip eh. Ganyan kanina eh. Dahil si alam mo naman, di ba? May volleyball dito kanina kasi. Yung tinanggal, binala. Ayun na. Nori! Si Raspe. Nice one. Nori. Ayan na. Ariola. Nori. Nakuha ni Tan. Rivera. Pops up 2 points. Chow gamit. Harold lumawag. Tumatawa. Trapping na naman. Uy! Tumama sa ring. Sa ring. Ay, sa board. Tumama. 2:53. Siyam ang kalamangan. Ayan na. Kick pass now to Tan to Rivera. Hoy! Foul! Take 2.
Jersey number 24.
Technical foul!
Jersey number 5.
Jersey number 5 called for a technical foul.
Init na talaga.
Technical free throw first.
Okay, technical free throws now for Rivera. And penalty situation. And penalty situation also for in-flights. Wow, it's getting hot in here. Grabe. Okay, first shot is in. 8 kalamangan ng in-flights. 2:46 remaining. Second shot. Pasok pareho. 7 kalamangan. Mali na naman. Oy! Traveling violation o naman pang. Oh, si Mr. P. Mr. P. Ariola against Rivera. Rivera, binato agad. Mercado, 2 points. Rivera, naging mag-isa. Palpal! Swipe away by Mr. Karim.
2 minutes, 24 seconds.
Binato agad. Uy! Lucky break for in-flights. 2:20 remaining. Kaya pa yan. Need stop lang. Necessary stop lang yan for Cas. Karim. Nori nakalusot. Uy! Nori. Karim. Wala. Isa pa. 2 points. Unstoppable. Karim. Roldan. Pops upper 3. No. Rebound Mercado. Karim naman. Ariola. Mr. P. Nori. P. Ariola for 3. No. Rebound. Hindi naka-rebound. Again, Amampang. Dasal man Amampang. 2 points. 8. Walo lang yan. Binato agad. Mercado. Masyado mataas. Salting. 2 points. Salting. From the back. 1:18 remaining. Amampang. Double teamed. Nice rebound. Okay, that's it. I think so. Okay, eto na. Oh, good ball. Ayan naman. 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds violation. 8 seconds violation. Laman po ng 10, 61-71. Laman pa rin po ang in-flights. Hop. Ayan na. Hop. Pinilit. Nori.
50 seconds.
Hoy! Roldan. Foul on Salting. Penalty situation. 46 seconds remaining. 61-71. Gandang Jordan. Nope.
46
Pagod na rin. Napagod na. I think fatigue settles in also para sa ating lahat. Roldan, second shot.
Baba.
It's in.
9.3.
Binatong bola. Ariola, mag-isa. 2 points, Ariola.
14 seconds.
60 seconds. Boss Harold, kaka-choice 1. Moton mo kasi yan. Okay, I think so. Bukong ano na. Okay, mukha ano na. Lumilinaw na. Lumilinaw na. Okay, that's it. Cas concedes already. In-flights winner. Final score 62-73. An 11-point advantage by in-flights. Okay, final score po natin po dyan. In-flights 62-73. Laman po ang in-flights. Thank you very much po. Big back po sa coming Friday and Saturday basketball action. sa ating aviation friendly dub as a Flying League.